Alright, let's go ahead and get this cold start, man. Got a lot of things to do today. But yeah, let's go ahead and start this up. Pack up this car full of the stuff that needs to get installed, and then head out, man. March 1st, officially Texas 2K crunch time. Alright, we got our box of goodies here. Now I've had this stuff for like almost 2 months now. It's finally going ahead and getting put in the car. Now, as you guys can see here, I have a brand new Vortech Supercharger pulley. We have the Vortech 3.12 inch 6-rib pulley. Now, what I have in the car right now is actually a Vortech 2.87 inch pulley. This one is going to be the new setup with the new intercooler that I'm going to be running. Now, essentially, the reason I'm going ahead and going up in a pulley size, one size up, is so the car will make less boost. We can run more timing through a more efficient intercooler and theoretically make more power. So we are going to be turning up the new edge. Should go up around, I don't know, 20-30 horsepower, but running more timing through a more efficient intercooler, so really excited about that. What I also have in here is going to be new Ford Performance gears. You got 355 gears going in the car. Finally going to go ahead and get rid of the 410s. These gears are going to kind of complement what I'm trying to do with the car right now, so definitely gonna go ahead and get these on. And car should be ready to rip. I do have the intercooler in the car right now. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys exactly what that is. Let me go ahead and box all this stuff up and get it loaded up. Also, before I do take off, this hood is for sale, 99 to 04. New Age Mustang GT hood. With the hood scoop, 50 bucks. This rear bumper, 50 bucks. Come pick it up, it's taking up space, leaves gone. It's gonna pump some gas. 419. It's like $5 now, really. Damn. Oh man. Alright, so we are a little behind, but as you guys can see back here, we got a new Treadstone intercooler. This is going to be the TR1245 model. This is rated for 1,000 horsepower, so we'll be good to go for this power level. And if I do decide to keep this blower on the car right now, the TI trim, this will definitely go ahead and support how much wheel horsepower that car can put out. So, gotta go ahead and get this swapped out. Get rid of the CX Racing intercooler, and then we're gonna go ahead and compare when everything gets installed.